Imagine walking into a living room that feels welcoming, stylish, and totally Instagram-worthy, and realizing it only took 24 hours to create. Whether you're prepping for Airbnb guests, hosting friends, or just giving your space a refresh, this video will show you exactly how to transform your living room from meh to wow, fast, affordable, and without the stress. So grab a coffee, and let's dive into a real-time 24-hour living room makeover that's perfect for Airbnb, and perfect for you. Step 1. Set the intention. Before we pick up a single cushion, we need a plan. The key to a quick transformation is clarity. Ask yourself, who is this space for? What mood do I want to create? What essentials will guests notice first? For Airbnb, think of your living room as a preview of the experience you're offering. It should feel clean, comfortable, and memorable. I think hotel comfort meets personal charm. Step 2. Declutter and clean. Start by clearing everything out of the space. Yes, everything. Trust me, it's easier to add things back and then to remove them mid-design. Give the room a deep clean, vacuum floors, wipe down surfaces, and make the windows sparkle. A clean room immediately feels newer, fresher, and more high-end, even before adding anything fancy. Step 3. Create a focal point. Every great room has a wow factor. For us, that might be a feature wall with peel and stick wallpaper, a bold art piece above the sofa, or even a gallery wall of local photography. If you only have time for one thing, make this your moment. Guests remember statements, not small details. Step 4. Swap out textiles. Here's where the magic happens. Replace old, tired throws and pillows with modern, textured options. Go for cozy knits, velvet, or linen. Choose 2 to 3 colors that pop but still feel relaxing, like navy, rust, or sage green. If your rug is worn out or just blah, consider layering a budget-friendly area rug over it for an instant facelift. Step 5. Add smart decor. Now, let's style like a pro, but fast. Add a tray to the coffee table with a small plant, a candle, and a local guidebook. Place a basket with rolled-up throws by the sofa. Use neutral curtains to make the room feel taller and brighter. If possible, add a full-length mirror. It visually doubles the space. These are the small touches that make your living room feel curated without being overdone. Step 6. Lighting matters. Swap out harsh overhead lighting with soft, ambient lamps. If your budget is tight, even string lights in a vase or behind a curtain can add warmth. Good lighting sets the mood, and guests will notice it immediately, especially in photos. Step 7. Final check, Airbnb-ready test. Finally, step back. Sit in the space. Walk through the room as if you were a guest. Is it inviting? Is it clean? Is it stylish but not cluttered? Add a welcome card or a small bowl of local treats for that extra touch. It's these thoughtful details that turn a stay into an experience. And there you have it, a stunning, cozy, and guest-ready Airbnb living room makeover, all in just 24 hours. You don't need a full renovation or a huge budget to make your space shine. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share your own 24-hour makeover ideas. And remember, style doesn't have to be slow or expensive, just intentional.